So if you're having that problem not showing your website on your main page, even though your files is already uploaded, try to try this one. So just add another. So I'm in GoDaddy, so yeah, so if you are in GoDaddy, try to go to your DNS management settings and add new, put at, and then value. If you are in different hosting provider or domain provider, just try to ask the correct DNS record for your domain. So yeah. So try this one. I hope so here's the it is now showing. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.